So welcome back. I hope all you guys are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the vocabulary related to food. What are the types of food we have, and we can learn the different vocabulary words related to food and its tastes. आज 30 days vocabulary series का day 5 है. Actually, I have divided day 5 into 2 parts. Why? Because एक part में वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी जा रही थी, तो मैंने उसको 2 parts में divide कर दिया है. आज है day 5 part 1. So let's get started. Number 1 is appetizer. What do you mean by appetizer? Have you heard this word before? So appetizer means a small dish which you take before the main course, before the main meal. You can say starter or snack. अब आप स्टार्टर में क्या क्या चीज़ें लेते हो? आप सूप ले सकते हो, आप सैलेड्स ऑर्डर कर सकते हो, राइट? तो जो मेन कोर्स से पहले जो भी आप स्मॉल डिश लेते हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम एपेटाइजर बोलते हैं, राइट? वी ऑर्डर्ड सूप एज एन एपेटाइजर बिफोर डिनर. The next word is dish. It means a specific prepared item. You can say meal, main course. My favorite dish is kidney beans with rice. What do you mean by kidney beans? Write down in the comment section. I'll read your comments. Let's quickly move to the another word, which is cuisine. A style of cooking from a particular region or a country. You can also say cooking style, food culture. Cooking style and food culture are the synonyms of cuisine. South Indian cuisines are full of coconut based flavors. आप में से कोई पर्सन अगर साउथ इंडियन फूड खा चुका है या फिर उनको पसंद है, तो आपने ये ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि उनकी जो डिशेस होती हैं दे आर फुल ऑफ कोकोनट बेस्ड फ्लेवर्स दैट आई ऑल्सो लाइक द मोस्ट. The next word is ingredients. Ingredients means items used to make a dish. Means जब आपने कोई एक particular dish बनानी हो तो उसके लिए आपको जितनी भी items चाहिए, right, उनको हम ingredients बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. For example, आपने rice pudding बनानी है. Rice pudding means खीर. तो खीर बनाने के लिए जितनी भी items required हैं उनको हम ingredients बोलेंगे, right? खीर बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? आई एम श्योर यू ऑल आर वेल नोन अबाउट इट, लाइक राइस, मिल्क, sugar, dry fruits. So these all are the ingredients for making rice pudding. You can also say component and element. Tomato is a key ingredient to make pasta sauce. Let's move to the next word, which is recipe. Recipe means instructions to prepare a dish. You can also say cooking method and formula. I followed a YouTube recipe to make paneer butter masala. I followed a YouTube cooking method to make paneer butter masala. The next word is dessert. Now, many people get confused in desert and dessert. There is a huge difference between these two words. Let's quickly understand what is the difference between desert and dessert. First of all, the spellings are different. Desert means, the spelling of desert is D-E-S-E-R-T, right, with a single S. It means a dry and barren land with small or little vegetation. So it is a noun as well. Now come to the dessert. The spelling of dessert is D-E-S-S-E-R-T. D-E-S-S-E-R-T. Dessert means a sweet dish that we have after our main course. So for dessert, you can say sweet, sweet dish, or afters. We had gulab jamun for dessert. Which is your favorite dessert? Last but not the least is snack. Snack means a small amount of food that we have in between the meals. You can say munches, light food, and bite. Munches, light food, and bite. Poha is my go-to evening snack. I love savory snacks. I love sweet snacks. Poha is my go-to evening light food. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question related to the words that we have learned today, you can write down in the comment section. I'll read your comments and will try to answer your queries as soon as possible. एंड अगर आप वीडियो के लास्ट तक पहुंच चुके हो तो आपने 4 तक जो वोकैबुलरी सीरीज है वो नहीं देखी है, सो डू चेक देम आउट एंड लर्न. आई विल सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय.